Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to clean your copper bottle. For daily maintenance, simply rinse your bottle with plain water. It is best to avoid using harsh soaps or detergents, as these can damage the copper's natural properties. After rinsing, make sure to dry the bottle thoroughly, both inside and out, to prevent any water spots or mineral buildup. This simple routine helps keep your bottle fresh for everyday use. For a deeper clean, natural ingredients work wonders. You can create a powerful cleaning paste using the juice of 1/2 lemon mixed with 2 tablespoons of salt. Another excellent option is combining 1/4 cup of white vinegar with 2 tablespoons of salt. These natural acids effectively remove tarnish and restore your copper's shine. Apply your chosen paste evenly to the bottle's surfaces. Once you have your cleaning paste ready, it is time to apply it. Use a soft brush, like a bottle brush, or a gentle sponge to scrub both the interior and exterior of your copper bottle. Work the paste into any tarnished areas. After scrubbing for a few minutes, rinse the bottle thoroughly with warm water. Ensure all the cleaning solution is completely washed away, leaving no residue behind. To keep your copper bottle in pristine condition, aim for a deep clean every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on usage. Proper storage is also key. Always keep your bottle in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight, which can accelerate tarnishing. By following these simple steps, you ensure your copper bottle remains clean, functional, and ready to provide its many benefits for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.